15 hot tactics in marketing for manufacturers. Best practices in marketing for manufacturers 101. Let's start with an honest confession. Many manufacturers mainly market to other businesses rather than the public. Big toy and food manufacturing companies, like those behind our favourite toys and packaged snacks, have mastered using marketing for manufacturers to boost sales for years. But outside certain areas, manufacturers haven't focused much on marketing for manufacturers. Generating leads was usually left to the sales team. Manufacturers made goods, trained sales staff, and relied on them to find customers at events and through ads in industry magazines. A couple of decades ago, this sales-focused approach worked, but in today's competitive world, manufacturers can't ignore marketing anymore. Now, sales and marketing teams must work together for a business to thrive. Improving sales and marketing for manufacturing businesses doesn't have to be complex all the time. Today we'll discuss how both can be managed and improved with various strategies. Marketing for manufacturers. Strategies and tactics. Make your online presence strong. Nowadays, being online is everything. Make sure people can find you easily on the web. Use social media to show off what you make, share your stories, and connect directly to other businesses. Keep your website up to date with what you offer. Simple, right? It's all about being where your customers are. Use real customer stories. Nothing beats hearing from happy customers. Share their stories and feedback so everyone can see them. This builds trust and shows potential customers or other brands why they should choose you. It's like having a good word put in for you by a friend. Automate to save time. There are tools out there that can handle the repetitive stuff for you. This lets you focus on the big picture. Selling, connecting, and networking with other businesses. It's about working smarter, not harder. Be the best at customer service. Good service makes customers come back and tell others about you. Answer questions, solve problems quickly, and always be helpful. Happy customers are your best advertisement. Plan your sales smartly. Know who you're selling to and what they need. Keep your sales goals clear and go after the right markets. This means less wasted effort and more sales for you. Keep it simple, focus on what works, and always look for ways to do things better. That's how you grow your manufacturing business without getting bogged down in complexity. Explore new markets. Think about selling to new places or attracting different types of customers. This might mean taking your business global or creating new products for different industries. Just make sure you do your homework first to understand these new markets. Use data to make decisions. Data tells you a lot about what's working and what's not. Use this info to decide where to take your business next, from developing new products to tweaking your sales tactics. It also helps you cut costs and make more money. Keep getting better. Always look for ways to do things better in your business. Listen to feedback, try out new ideas, and keep improving. This not only makes your business run smoother, but also keeps your team motivated. More focus on content. Make videos to show what you're doing. Long form can be shared on your website, while quickies are great for showing how things are made, product highlights, and quick lessons. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts let you connect with your audience in a lively way, making your brand more memorable. Influencer collaborations. Influencers are booming across most industries, and they help make one too. Working with influencers who know your field boosts your brand presence, getting your products seen by new people. It builds on the trust they've built with their followers, possibly increasing interest and sales in your area. Show your efforts to sustainability. Being eco-friendly matters more. To businesses now. If your products or how you make them are green, let people know. It shows you care about the planet, appealing to eco-conscious buyers and making your brand stand out. Use AI for market insights. Artificial intelligence, AI, changes how you understand and talk to others. By looking at their data, AI helps spot trends, shape your marketing for manufacturers, and improve what you sell. It means you can connect better with your target market, making things more personal. Maximize CRM integration. Tying your customer relationship management CRM into your marketing makes everything smoother. It joins up your sales and marketing teams, making campaigns work better and making it easier for customers, leading to happier networking and more sales. Focus on ethical practices. Being ethical, like with data and trade, is getting more attention. Showing you do things right builds trust with your customers and other brands, proving you care about more than just money. Create interactive and immersive experiences. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, are exciting ways to engage people. Whether it's virtual tours of your factories or letting customers see products in their own space, These texts give an immersive experience that really boosts your brand. Strategies for improved marketing for manufacturers. Now that you know what the basics are, let us understand how the same processes can be implemented, making follow-ups better and improving customer service. Easy follow-ups. Get your follow-ups automated. This way you're always on your customer's radar, avoiding your emails getting lost in the shuffle. Top-notch service. It's all about making an impression every single time someone interacts with your brand. Whether it's through unbeatable support or a website that's friendly to use, make every moment count. Customizing your service based on what you know about your target market makes people stick around and spread the word. Growing your reach and smarter use of data. Finding new opportunities. There's a whole world out there. For example, a company making coil springs could really shake things up in the automotive industry. Doing a bit of homework with a PESTLE analysis will show you where the next big opportunity lies, helping you spot the perfect audience for what you're selling. Make data a friend. Understand your data to figure out what makes your customers tick and how to get your products spot on. Bringing CRM and other data tools into the mix can make your sales strategy as sharp as a tack, hitting the mark every time. Boosting up your social media and crafting your content. Being seen online. In the digital age, if you're not online, you're nowhere. Keep up the chatter on social media. Send emails that people actually want to open. Set up a shop online and make sure you're the first thing people see on Google. Don't forget about live webinars and demos. They're some of the best ways to engage with your target market. Make content that connects. It's all about creating content that speaks to your audience at the right time, solving their problems and answering their questions. Getting insights from your sales team helps make your content hit home even harder. Making selling smoother and bundling up. Selling made simple. Let automation take the strain off the routine tasks so your sales team can focus on what they do best, selling. Bundle and save. Packaging products together not only upsizes your orders, but also gives your customers more bang for their buck. It's a tactic that's worked wonders for brands like Magna, setting them apart from the crowd. Make your website easy to find. Use simple SEO tricks. This means making sure your website is easy to understand by search engines and people. Keep it updated based on what works. Additional marketing for manufacturers ideas. Here are some additional tips for you to streamline for a better marketing for manufacturers and sales process, ultimately leading to some successful marketing for manufacturers campaigns. Use quizzes and polls. Engage your audience with fun quizzes and polls. It's a great way to keep people interested and learn what they like. Focus on your product can improve your marketing for manufacturers. Let your product lead the way. Use feedback and data to improve what you offer and how you market it. Create a community. Build a space for your customers to talk. It makes them feel connected and gives you insights straight from them. Share great finds. If making new content is hard, share others' work with your thoughts added. It keeps your audience engaged with less effort. Be open about prices. Make sure people know how much things cost. Clear pricing helps avoid confusion and builds trust. Plan your projects. Well, use tools like Gantt charts to keep things organised. It helps everyone know what to do and when. Automate tasks. Find tasks you can automate. It saves time and cuts down on mistakes, making your business run smoother. Wrapping it up. Back in the day, people wondered if manufacturing and marketing could work together, hugely depending on sales only. Today, it's clear they must. The world's changed, and if you don't get smart about marketing for manufacturers, you risk falling behind. Now, improving sales and growth for manufacturers means getting digital and personal. It's about using smart tech to get better at what you do and understand what the market wants. Training your team is mostly important. They need to be up for the challenge. Content marketing for manufacturers is huge here too. It's about giving your target market useful info and solutions, not just selling a product. And a SEO makes sure people find your content first, not your competitors. Using data helps you keep track of what works and what doesn't, so you can keep getting better. Emails and social media are direct lines to your customers. Keep messages clear and helpful, and you'll build loyalty. Great service keeps customers coming back. But here's where things get tricky. How to do it. That's where you have us. Marketing Managed. We provide support to all your campaigns and day-to-day marketing for manufacturers. Need a heads up? Contact us.